Okay, for this problem we have find 5 consecutive even integers if the sum of the first and the fifth is 2 less than 3 times the fourth. So we have here 5 consecutive even integers, therefore I have x for my first, x plus 2 for my second even, x plus 4 for my third even, x plus 6 for my fourth, and x plus 8 for my fifth. So first even, second even, and then third even, fourth even, and the fifth even. Now for my equation, so let's analyze the problem. So it says here if the sum of the first and fifth, so the sum of the first and fifth is represented by, so this is a plus sign, so the first is given by x, so x, so since it's the sum plus the fifth, which is given by x plus 8, is signifies the equal sign. So 2 less than 3 times the fourth. So this sentence here is represented by 3 times the fourth, which is x plus 6. So less than, so minus 2. So my equation now is x plus 8 is equal to 3. X plus 6 is minus 2. Therefore, let's solve this now. So it can be written as x plus 8 is equal to, let's simplify this one, 3x plus 18 through the distributive property of multiplication minus 2. So combining like terms, we have here 2x plus 8, and in this case 3x plus 16. Now we need to isolate our x, so I'm going to undo 2x to the other side, so it will be 3x minus 2x, and then 16 to the other side, the left side, so 8 minus 16, and we'll get here negative 8 is equal to positive x. So my first integer is 8. So let's solve for the other integers because we still have 4 more. So x is equal to negative 8, and then x plus 2 is the second integer. Negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6. X plus 4, negative 8 plus 4 is negative 8. Negative 4. Then x plus 6 is negative 8 plus 6, which is negative 2. And then x plus 8 is negative 8 plus 8, which is 0. Now for the checking, let's do the checking. So it says here in the sentence that the sum of the first and the fifth. So the sum is represented by adding the first and the fifth integer. So negative 8 plus 0 is equal to 2 less than 3 times the fourth. So 3 times the fourth is 3 times negative 2 minus 2. And then this is negative 8, negative 6 minus 2, negative 8 on both sides. Therefore, the final answer, write in sentence form, the consecutive even integers are -8, -6, -4, -2, 0. And that is now your final answer. Now, how about this one? The sum of two numbers is 50 and their difference is 12. What are the two numbers? So again, it's just like the problem a while ago. So if the sum of two numbers is 50, if I let this x be my smaller number, then my larger number will be represented by 50 minus x. This is my larger. For the equation, it says here that their difference is 12. Therefore, if I subtract from x from the larger number, we'll get 12. So 50 minus x is equal to 12. And we'll get here -2x plus 50 is equal to 12. Undoing 50 to the other side, we'll get 12 minus 50 is equal to 2x. Simplifying, we'll get here -38. And then -2x, divide both sides by -2, we'll get positive x and positive 19. So that is my smaller number. We have to look for the larger number as well. Smaller. The larger is equal to 50 minus x, which is 50 minus 19. This is given by 31. So the larger is 31. So by checking, you just have to check if the sentence will be true. So if I add checking, there's sum should be 50. So 19 plus 31 is equal to 50. It's a true equation. Their difference should be equal to positive 12. So 31 minus 19 is equal to 12. Therefore, we got the two correct answers. So the smaller number is 19 and larger number is 31.